Thutha wa kuhotana riandikithia-ini ria kuhoya IEBC icenjie rucio ta muthia uria ahurani giturwa kia president mwagiriru ni gukorwo maneanite maritwa manini ao. Riu Ngwataniro ya Azimio La Umoja ni yambikite mutaratara wa guthurima na kwendekithia no mwagiriru gukorwo ri munini wa Raila Odinga. Umuthi mwandiki munene wa Azimio Junet Mohamed akihithuria ameba mugwanja aria mayukitio kuma ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro ino, ona atongoria a dini ameba yari hamwe na Bishop Peter Jenga, Archbishop Zakias Okoth, Senator Enoch Kio Wambua, Michael Orwa, Dr. Noah Wekesa, Sheikh Mohammed Halifa, Miss Beatrice Askul Moe.
So let us not anticipate debate. Let's leave the committee to do their work. Let's see what they come out with.
Kuona maritwa mameba ya mayukitio kuma kuri ateti mari ciama-ini ici gigukorwo ari kigeri kirito makiria kuri kiama kia Wiper, kuona no ciumia igiri kuma Senator wa Kitui Enoch Wambua na uria ni umwe wa aria mayukitio auga gutiri undu ungiuka Kalonzo au mweke uyu.
I want to make it very clear that you know what? We are not playing games. This is serious business.
I don't think it's very easy to corner Kalonzo Musyoka. It is not easy.
Some of them looks like they are sponsored by the media. They look like they are deputy presidents for the media. So let everyone show his interest, and then we shall know who is serious and who is the media candidate.
Hari ciuri igwikirwo thurimi-ini uyu wigiriki uratwarana gicunji kia ithathatu gia kurobo ya mitugo ya ateti gigatiba, waragania, gwituma wira-ini wa muingi, githomo na wigiriki ni imwe cia ithimi iria igwikirirwo.
The panel is required to submit to the candidates names of the suitable candidates for his consideration on or before 10th May 2022.
Mihango ino yothe ndibatie gukiria tariki 10 mweri uyu ario thiko ithathatu tu mbere ya kuneanwo kwa ritwa riu kuri IEBC.
The candidate does not want to do a decision which is solely looks dictatorial. He wants to give other Kenyans an opinion to contribute. This is how Kamala Harris was nominated.
Mamwe maritwa maria makoretwo makiendekithio mihango-ini ino ni mutongoria wa NARC Kenya Martha Karua, mubunge wa tene wa Gatanga Peter Kenneth na mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka.
Clearly you don't expect we shall continue to step down forever. Mnanisikia? Yaani utaendelea tu kusema tumewachia. Hapana.
Kiama kia NARC ona kio nikiendekithĩtie mutongoria wakio Charity Ngilu undu uria utanyitwo kururumura njukanĩrĩro ikamba-ini rĩrĩ kĩrĩma gĩkinyeire no nginya gĩgĩturwa gĩkĩ gĩcoke na mũciĩ. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.